Uh, Morning session, Nifty was in a bullish move and Bank Nifty was in a bearish trend. And finally, Bank Nifty also resumed a bullish trend in the later part of the day, and both have ended up beautifully crossing a lot of resistance today. But it was a very unexpected move. What Nifty has done, Nifty was doing the correction and consolidation below. There were price gaps below, but still it took a bullish move, and totally the perspectives are quite changing, and the ranges are changing to a different aspect. So let's see what is waiting for tomorrow, and let's start with Nifty and then move on to Bank Nifty. If you can see the Nifty, 15920 was a very important resistance line, which we were marking from long time, probably for last 2 weeks. So 15920 was a very important resistance, and Nifty opened up a gap up above the 15920 itself. So from there is no stop, and it clearly went uptrend. Only at the end of end 30 minutes that it showed some bearish movement. Otherwise, it is a clearly uptrend, and it has also left out some price gap at this point. If you can see, yesterday we had marked 15880 as the pivot high, but since it has opened a gap up, it has opened a price gap here. Even it has opened a price gap on previous day, where 15800 was a pivot high. It opened up with the price gap. So there are two price gaps left at below. That is one point to remember. But still, Nifty has went a long way now, above 16,000. So leaving out this price gap, we should now see at Nifty as an uptrend move, and what is possible currently as a correction only we can expect, not drastically to again Nifty to come back below 15800 or 15700. Let's see the one day chart, daily chart of Nifty. If you can see a clear big green candle has formed for today, and what is possible, what we can expect as an uptrend is we have to wait. Probably we can expect 16200 and 16300 as the next point of resistance. But below, what correction we can expect from Nifty is probably if we can see this green candle and this red candles, we can keep this point and check at the maximum 15,900. Probably we can expect as if correction is happening for Nifty again at the maximum 15850. So if we can see the OA data of Nifty, this is the OA data of Nifty at the end of the day today. If you see here, the highest OA is at 15,900, which has 1,39,538. The second highest it has at the PI side, 1,35,000. Third highest is at 15,800, 1,22,000. If we see at the call writing, there were many profit booking today happened, and at 16,200 there is a C writing is expected 73,068, and 16,300 72,867. But comparing both the side, we can clearly see a very strong support has been built up at 16,000, 15,900 and 15,800. So what we can expect for Nifty is there could be a little correction possible, but at the maximum downside we can expect at 16,000 or 15,900. So in the next 2 days, with the OA current build up, what we can see is there is a chance Nifty can drop down 200 points from here, 100 to 150 points from here, and test down till 15,900. Upside is there is an obvious targets as 16,000 and 16,200 and 16,300, but at the downside, at the maximum we can expect as 15,900 for next 2 days. There is a strong OA build up at 15,800, but there is a very less chance that it can drop down till 15,800, considering it is Nifty. So Nifty would not be so volatile to give 200 to 300 points in next 2 days, but definitely you can expect somewhere around 15,900 again to test back. Let's go back to chart. This is a 5 minutes chart of Nifty again. We have come back and I have marked clearly the points in the slide. Let me open the slide. So you can see tomorrow key pivot points will be 16,100 and 16,030. Anything above 16,100 we should see the Nifty as bullish. Anything below 16,030 should be seen as breaking the support and Nifty turning bearish. In case if it breaks 16,030, there is a chance to come to test 15,920. There is a high chance to do this movement to come down to touch 15,920, because 15,900 the OA data is highest, 1,39,538. So maybe it comes to touch 15,920 and reverse back again from here. So as I said, at the maximum we can expect 15,880 and 15,810. As price action this is possible, but considering Nifty at 16,130 dropping down till 15,810 in one day may not be realistic to be expecting. So at present Nifty has given a very big move, so do not go really long now for entering any new position. Probably Nifty can possibly look at having some correction around this 16,000 range. So in case if it drops below showing red candle, probably we can take some PE buy position and try to capture the 100 points, 100 to 150 points where it comes down till 15,920. In case if it breaks today's high like 15,146 or to 16,146, 16,150, in case it breaks above 16,150, we can enter into a new CE buy position for target 16,200. Again at 16,200, in case if it is a gap up and it is crossing above 16,150, enter into CE buy position and do a profit booking at 16,200. There is a chance at 16,200 there can be a reversal and it can come down to 16,000 and go flat over here, or otherwise touch 15,920. There is a chance Nifty can go between 16,030 and 16,100 and go flat over here, maybe to eat some of the CE premiums, so be careful. So already a big up movement has come. There are some price gaps below. There is a strong support build up at PE writing at 15,900. Considering all this, we should not expect again a same kind of bullish big move upwards to Nifty. Probably it does some correction around 100 to 150 points at the range of 16,000 and then resume its up move. Please read out, please pause the video and free to read out the points what I have told. It's the same thing, I have written it in a brief. Thank you guys for Nifty. Let's move to Bank Nifty. This is the 5 minutes chart of Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has really given a very good bullish move, and the morning around till 12:15 there was a flat movement of Bank Nifty taking the resistance at the 34,850, and it was a bit flat till 12 p.m. 12:15 p.m. By 12:15 p.m. Nifty has already taken a bullish trend and was trading upwards. So this was little bit of a confusing moment where Bank Nifty was running flat till 12:15, but Nifty was already up. But there was a very strong OI build up at call rating around 35,000, and it was expected that it is going to break on the second half and Bank Nifty to go up. And naturally Bank Nifty has captured the trend of Nifty and it has taken uptrend. But what is important to note here is Nifty is almost at its highest range around 16,000 to 16,100, but Bank Nifty is just at 35,200. So there are price points 35,300, 35,500. 35,700, already a well tested upward ranges are still Bank Nifty to reach. So we can still expect easily 500 to 700 points upwards in Bank Nifty if this trend is going to continue, and likely this trend is going to continue. And at the below ranges, let's see what is possible maximum at the bottom range for Bank Nifty. Let's go to one day chart. We are at the one day chart of the Bank Nifty. We can clearly see a green candle over here. If we can expect some correction, maximum the correction can be up to 35,074, 35,085. This is what maximum we can expect as a correction from Bank Nifty. If at all it can do much more correction, it can come down till 34,950. So we should not expect again Bank Nifty to drop below 34,900. At the maximum we should expect Bank Nifty should touch 34,950 as part of correction. So Bank Nifty is clearly in the uptrend, and when we see the OA build up, we are at the OA data of Bank Nifty. OA data of Bank Nifty is not so as strong build up as Nifty, but still the significant OA build up is at 35,000. C rating is at 60,000 and P rating as 65,000. So overall the highest is coming as 35,000, where C rating and P rating almost equal and also at the highest. So what we can expect mostly with Bank Nifty is, as part of correction, it can come down till 35,000 and maybe it can spend some time flat over here, probably eat up some C premiums and then resume its uptrend. Let's go back to 5 minutes chart. Now let's see what is waiting for tomorrow. I have clearly marked the price points for Bank Nifty. If you see the price points for Bank Nifty, OA data has been significant at 35,000 strike for both CE and PE, almost equal OA data, and also it is having significantly high OA at 35,000 strike when compared to other strike. So there is now, if you see the pivot points, 35,120 is pivot high and 34,940 is pivot low. If you can see, this is a little broader range. Considering the OA data, considering the pivot, there is a high chance that Bank Nifty can come down below 35,120 and spend some time over 35,000. If you can see some dotted lines below 35,120, these dotted lines is around 35,085. It can spend some time flat between this range before it takes uptrend. So what I suggest is, considering the uptrend, do not immediately enter into CE buy position for tomorrow. In case if Bank Nifty crosses 35,240, that is today's high, in case it crosses 35,240 at the opening, then consider that it has resumed its bull trend. Enter into new CE buy position with the target 35,330, and there could be definitely a reversal at 35,330 or even below. During the up rally, it can have a reversal downwards. If it is a gap up and if it is opening above 35,240, consider it as a bull rally and enter into CE buy position and have the profit book until a reverse candle is shown. If a reverse candle is shown, there is a high likely chances that it will come down to touch back 35,120. Even you can enter into PE buy position and book that profit. But likely tomorrow, what I see is it can open flat to little bit negative for tomorrow, and if it is opening flat or little bit negative, do not enter into CE buy position until it crosses 35,240. Since the OA data is high between CE and PE around 35,000, likely Bank Nifty can come down to 100 to 200 points and spend some time at 35,000. Probably you can enter into PE buy position and try to capture that 100 to 200 points down. So let me repeat, it's very simple. Above 35,240, enter into new CE buy position. Otherwise, wait Bank Nifty can go flat below around this 35,200 range. You can also have a good chance to touch 35,000 range. So do not expect Bank Nifty to break 34,850 for now. I don't think we have already crossed this 34,850 ranges. We are already above 35,000. So do not expect Bank Nifty to again break 34,850 to come below. If there is any PE position, PE buy position which has strike below 34,850, please exit. You will lose your premium having only 2 days to expire. So expect 35,000 as a good resistance point, until above 35, until Bank Nifty stays above 35,000, we should expect Bank Nifty to be in uptrend. It is in uptrend right now. Only a small correction could be possible till 35,000, and use that opportunity for any pay buy position to book profit. Otherwise, look for above targets. Above targets 35,330, 35,500 are easily possible for Bank Nifty. It's all already well tested points for Bank Nifty at the upside.